Do you want a safer way to trade options? The wheel strategy can generate $5,000 a month. In just 5 simple steps, I'll show you how. I've made over $100,000 in the past year. Let's dive into the wheel strategy and learn together. First, identify a stock you'd like to own. This stock should be a good long-term investment. Next, we'll sell a put option below the current market price. For example, if the stock is $100, sell a $95 put. This means you can buy the stock for $95 instead of $100. By selling the put, you receive a premium payment upfront. This premium enters your account immediately, giving quick returns. Aim for a delta of around 30 when selling puts. This balance helps you collect decent income while reducing assignment risk. If the stock price stays above your strike price, you're in luck. The put option expires worthless, and you keep the premium. Repeat by selling another put option for consistent income. Let's look at a current position of mine on SPY and QQQ. I recently sold a put option for Kraft Heinz and it's doing well. I've collected $620 on 20 contracts at a $28 strike price. Now, let's examine Archer Aviation. I was assigned shares after running the wheel strategy. I collected steady income before getting assigned at $8 per share. Now, I sell covered calls to generate more income. If assigned, you'll own the stock at a lower average cost. For example, you could collect $20 in premiums before assignment. This lowers your effective purchase price dramatically. Now, repeat the process by selling another put option. If assigned, sell covered calls on the shares you own. Here's a tip. Balance your risk across your portfolio. If a stock isn't acting as expected, it's best to diversify. It's also essential to consider your account size when trading. Focus on safer trades with stocks you want to own. Now, let's get into the small details for maximizing returns. Close positions early if you achieve significant gains quickly. For example, if you make 50% in 3 days, consider taking profits. Reinvest this into new positions for potential further profits. Let's run through an example on SPY and QQQ. I'm selling a put option on QQQ today for income. I like to balance my portfolio with diversified stocks. Selling puts on these major ETFs can be very profitable. I'll sell a contract on SPY as well, targeting a 20 delta. The flexibility of the wheel strategy is key to success. You can run it on larger stocks and smaller ones too. If you want to learn more, check out my free newsletter. I offer stocks that I'm buying, including my wheel strategy picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this. You can also explore strategies in my ebook linked below. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.